Most people are trying some old side hustles, but I found a new fresh one which many people do not know about. Here we're going to see how to make photos into cash using free AI tools. Now this side hustle is Untapped, and this has come about in very recent times because ChatGPT and some of the AI models have been upgraded, and this was not possible earlier. Now let's see what happened and why is this possible. So what is this first method or the side hustle which I'm talking about? You must have seen these action figures which you can see on the screen, where people have been putting their own photographs in various action figures as such. So now let us see how to start making money out of this. But first, why was this not possible earlier? Now, if you'd see earlier, there were things like when you would ask AI to create an image, especially with text on it, it would screw up pretty bad. It would get the text wrong, and possibly the text font would be totally haywire. But now, because of some upgrades in AI and imaging technology, you can see that the AI is getting this lettering almost spot on. So because of this change in AI, these things are possible where you can get the images and text or lettering on those images. So let's see how we can firstly start building these action figures, how to start creating these action figures, and next we'll see how to start earning from that. So let's go to, so the first step will be to go to ChatGPT. Now in ChatGPT, you can see here on the screen, I've given it an image. This is an AI generated image itself, and I've given it a prompt. So I've given ChatGPT an image and I've given Chat prompt. Now with this prompt, I will show you how to get this prompt in my free community. You can, and you'll be able to see it. So this is what it generated for me. After giving it this prompt, we'll go through this prompt, and it's pretty good here, but I found that his legs were getting cut off. So I just rephrased it a bit to give me the body, and this is what it gave me. And this is pretty good. For 2 minutes of work, this is pretty good. So let us see what this chat prompt is all about. So this is how you'd go about it. Please create an image of a collectible action figure in retail style packaging using attached photograph as a reference for the character. So basically this is the photograph. It's going to use a reference of the character's face only. So I do not want it to use the body styling or whatever, but just the face. Do not include the character's image on the packaging design itself. Okay. Then next is character details, male, height, weight, how I wanted to say with a hoodie or so. Then accessories, I want these accessories at the side. Now if you have asked for a laptop, electric guitar, microphone, you can see what all you'd need there. Then brand name on packaging, entrepreneur, that's entrepreneur come here as well. Brand, font style, bold, color scheme, you can give that, etc. Packaging instructions, position the action figure on the left. You can change that if you want. You want it on the right, you can change that. Clearly labeled accessories here, or you can put whatever tools, etc. You can use that. You can put that as tools. Show accessories neatly displayed, sleek, tech savvy, modern aesthetics. So this is the prompt. Now the prompt, I will have it in my free community. You can just copy and paste it from there. So here, if you're in my free community, I'll leave a link to an AI powered startup, how you can start with AI. And once you click on that link and you sign up, you would get also into my community where you can get this. So when you're in my community, you can just click on this, and that's the prompt there. You can just modify it as you wish. Now, so that's what you do. You just change this prompt, and that's it. That's how you create it. And it just takes 2 minutes to do that, not more than that. So you just need to modify this prompt as you need it, and just click go, and ChatGPT will create this image for you. And because now ChatGPT is able to put in text clearly on images, these kind of things are looking pretty good. Now, so that's the first part of it, how you start making these action figures. Now from there, how do you start earning from there? So next part is to start earning. If you go to places like Fiverr, you can see here, these are selling for anything like $15, $10. And if you go to the actual page of those creators, you can see for $15, that's just a basic version. If you go to standard, that's $25 and even $35. See another creator, $20 for the basic version, standard version $50, and premium version is $60. And with 2 minutes of work, you can create all of this, and pretty simple to do. And even on Etsy, the same thing, $12, $90 also. Yeah. So a lot of the fact of the matter is, as so many people are in the market, that means these things are selling. Okay. So that's how you're going to start earning from that. Now in my community also, if you click on this action figure box set business idea, if you go down and you click here, this Google Doc, now this is what you'd give to the client once you are on Fiverr, etc., and client asks you to create something for them. This is what you'd do. This is how you'd go. This is what you'd give the client, and the client would give you these details, and this is the details you would put into Chat GPT and start creating those action figures. So this, you can clear this doc file also in this free community of mine, and under this heading, this action figure box set business ideas. I hope that made sense, and you can see how you can start earning with this. Now if you want to see other tools where you can start earning with AI, I'll leave a link below. Also, you can comment AI part below and I'll send it to you in a comment as well if you require that. And once you get into that AI part link, you would have to furnish your email, and you'd also get access to this community if you're already not in. It's free to join my community, and that's how you can get this prompt and this doc file as well. So I'll see you there. And also, if you're interested, I have other videos where I show you how to start earning online with various new AI tools, etc. So I'll catch you in that as well. Take care.